Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make this LEGO 9th Doctor and Rose Tyler. For the 9th Doctor, you'll want to take the legs from this Imperial Gunner, you'll want the body from this Knight Rider minifigure, the head from this Imperial Hoth Snowtrooper, and finally the hair from this LEGO General Zod. For Rose Tyler, you'll want to take the legs and the torso from this Dick Grayson minifigure. You'll want to take the head from this Chell minifigure. And finally, the hair from this LEGO City minifigure. If you've done it correctly, your 9th Doctor should look like this, and your Rose Tyler should look like this. Feel free to pause on either of those images if you need a reference photo for when you're building your minifigure. Overall, I think these minifigures turned out well. I didn't know if I should use the Snowtrooper face or the Superman face for the 9th Doctor, but you can use either one, I just prefer this one. If you have any requests for any minifigures you would like to see me do in the future, feel free to leave a comment down below or reach out to me over on my Instagram. Also, I highly recommend you subscribe if you've got this far, because that will just encourage me to make some more useful tutorials. If you would like to see some more Purist custom LEGO minifigures, feel free to click on the links which should be on the end screen now.